Hey everyone, we are moving on to the last part of transformations, and we're going to work on dilations. Now we didn't get a lot of practice in class with this, so I'm going to show you how it's done. When we think dilations, we're really thinking of multiplying, and we're really thinking of dividing. The shape is either enlarging or reducing. It's getting bigger or it's getting smaller. So I'm going to go through each one of these, about 2 questions each one. And again, this is my student account, so we're going to start on first dilations and scale factor. Scale factor means the number in which you're either multiplying or the number in which you're dividing to make your shape bigger or smaller. All right, so let's take a look at this first one. So you have the shape A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, which is down here in pink. And the original was A, B, C, D. And A, B, C, D went under a dilation of a scale factor of 3, which means we took this shape, the original shape, and we multiplied each point by 3, which made the shape bigger, right? So they want to know what the legs of the segment of BC is. Now, we don't have that shape here because B prime and C prime are here, so we kind of have to work to figure this out. So I'm actually going to use this little tool here. So we're going to set up a little equation to see if we can figure it out. So whenever we're determining scale factor, your new has to go over your original. Excuse my handwriting. It's a little tough on a Mac. Original. That's what that says. And that'll give you the scale factor. Okay, so if my new, let's measure the new, and we're just going to count boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If my new was 9, and I don't know my original, so I'm just going to leave it as BC. And they already gave me my scale factor. We kind of have to figure this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to do my little butterfly. So I'm left with 3 BC equals 9. And to get BC alone, you're going to divide by 3. So your original side is 3. All right, so if this original shape, if BC went under a scale factor of 3, 3 times 3 is 9, which makes sense. So I'm going to put 3 in here. All right, so if you ever need to figure out the scale factor, you take the new image, which is your prime, divided by the original, you take one of the points, and then you will get your scale factor. Okay, so let's check that. Awesome. Let's try the next one. So we have quadrilateral A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime is the image of the quadrilateral ABCD under a dilation with a scale factor of 4. So they actually gave you the original, and they want to know what would the new length of the side length be for C prime, D prime. So we're dealing with this right here, this guy. So let's see how many boxes this is. 1, 2, 3. Right? So if we use the scale factor of 4, all we have to do is 3 times 4, because we are enlarging. Your new side length, if you do 3 times 4, is just 12. Okay, so this is really just a matter of multiplying and dividing. So if you need any help, you can let us know. Okay, good.